go as fast. Close. What the fuck's happening here? Closing him?
Ken,
Shit's again.
he's doing.
Porsche, fuck me up.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's taking the exit. Well played by him.
But there is.
Go after.
But there is one. But we are missing someone. There's someone coming. Where is the? Why are they just parking there? He's drifting again.
Nice.
They are coming. Oh Jesus!
After.
Everyone chasing the corpse. Okay, what is
We
the
have a McLaren passing through.
type doing?
Shit, that shit.
Which car should we chase?
Big crash! Big crash! Big
Big
crash!
crash, big crash. If you break it, yeah, then you have a reason.
Bro, this guy. Turn the lights on.
He has nowhere to go. Maybe he has.
So let's turn lights on.
Thought that BMW was going to just careful. He's exiting. No, he didn't.
In the tunnel, maybe?
No, turning around, pitted him.
Is it allowed to ram cops with purpose just to help someone else?
No,
Yeah, because the other six is ramming me all the time.
he's just straight up cop baiting. We're heading the opposite way on the highway. Going up the highway to the meet spot from before him. He's braking. Yeah, we're at the end. Holy shit! No. Yeah, oh yeah, here that. Yo, driver. The place where they were having the meet before.
Ah, okay.
It's just gonna be...
Then I'm totally in the
Coupé.
wrong direction. Highway down.
Okay, if somebody races... Okay, we have to remember their car, because then we are secretly gonna stop them.
The fu-
Like,
Again,
Good idea.
stop them once the race
This
started.
man just driving away. I'm
What?
driving illegal on the wrong side of the road, chasing the M140i.
Okay, let's help.
Yeah. Turn on the lights before passing them. Just to make
They're coming here,
see if they're...
He's going there. He's going out of the area.
He's going out of the
He's
area.
turning, around.
Yeah, turn around.
Go.
Okay, they are all starting.
Is it Quattro?
No.
That guy.
This guy was fast.
Should we turn on lights?
Not yet. let's go after the 140. He's braking. Turning on my lights. Going straight to the tunnel. Remember to brake. I'll keep primary. Oof. What is street close? What the fuck's happening here?
Biggest needle man. Stop.
Shoot at the cop. There is no cop in your direction. What's the point?
Chasing the mini again.
Shit's again.
He's doing illegal drifting.
I'll go after him.
Oh no!
What was that good? Oh, he crashed. Closing him.
Stop. Nice.
Yep.
Into the
Yeah,
show.
he is.
Big crash.
That looks really cool. Both M3s are turning at the same time around on street.
I hate you for
Right behind
really
him,
cool.
on the roundabout. I see a focus. I
Make it
really see a
up, okay.
focus.
Take focus.
Trying to make the move on him. Making the move. Holy shit, that was one hell of a focus.
Oh, sorry, Gustav.
Closing him.
Okay, what was that, please, M5CS?
We have it.
Roundabout at the top of the map.
Dispatch. Chasing Mercedes C63S.
Dispatch pulling Gora M3.
Navy blue. Going on the highway exit. Never mind. You know, our car is slow.
Ready to
Yeah. Give me a bit, cause the Porsche fucked me up. Yeah, he's taking the exit. Well played by him.
Coming.
Behind him. Oh! Never mind. What the hell? It doesn't have like physics. Oh, we're on the upper part of the highway. Traffic lights. Turning right on the traffic lights. Never mind. Going straight. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. If you can. Never mind.
Suspect on
Okay,
yesterday.
I killed the one which has stolen the M4CS. And its Simi is triggering another time.
He's going outside. Oh wait, this is not outside. One. Oh. Yeah. I was talking to my mom. I wasn't even looking. wait.
Watch out.
Yeah, no, I forgot to brake. I forgot to brake too. Oh, thank God this is physics. Going down.
Yeah. Watch out.
Overtaking.
Shit.
Go focus. Go focus.
Sorry.
You good? Going to the city. What's this bump? Right on the roundabout. Not taking the first exit, maybe the second. Not the second. Heading to the gas station.
Watch out.
Now. Okay. Oh! Yep. If you can try to overtake him. Yeah, brake.
Where are you?
Highway.
Highway. Okay.
Going to the north. He brakes! Oh, I had him. Wasn't my intention.
I'm leaving the chase, I'm too much behind.
Did I get him in the pool?